Happy birthday, Carding! Officially, 2 years old na si Carding ngayon. Happy birthday, Carding! May 4 ngayon, birthday ni Carding. Pinanganak si Carding May 4, 2022. Ngayon, May 4, 2024 na. 2 years old na si Carding. Yan, si Carding, 2 years old na. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Eng, eng. Okay, happy birthday ni Carding, birthday. Birthday ni Carding. Carding, yung buntot mo, Carding, oh, buntot, aba ng buntot ni Carding. Ano masabi mo, Carding? Birthday mo ngayon, Carding, ano masabi? What do you say? What do you say? Birthday ni mo karon. Carding, unsa mastorya ni mo, birthday ni mo karon, Carding. Carding, wala ko palit cake, kay wala ko kwarta. Cake, Carding, gusto ni mo, cake. Oh, birthday, Carding. Birthday ni Carding. Happy birthday, Carding. Happy birthday, Carding. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Carding. Lingkod, butan ni iring si Carding. Giaway sa gabi ni Cardo. Layog sila sa atop. Layog si Carding sa atop. Nag-away. Butan si Carding. Carding, butan ni Mingming. Butan ng Mingming natulog. Oh, birthday ni Carding. Happy birthday, Carding. Happy birthday, Carding. Happy birthday, Carding. Oh, birthday ni Carding. Ang alaga na ko. 2 years old na si Carding. 2 years old. Okay, happy birthday. I love you. Praise the Lord. Bye-bye. God bless you. Mayang buntag.